The SUV market is crowded. Every brand promises luxury, performance, and technology. But only a few truly deliver a perfect balance of all three. In 2026, Volvo steps forward once again with the XC60, an SUV that doesn't need to shout to be noticed. It speaks through intelligence, comfort, and a deep commitment to safety. At first glance, the 2026 Volvo XC60 feels familiar, yet more refined than ever. The design is clean and confident, with smooth body lines and a strong, balanced stance. Volvo hasn't chased aggressive trends or overstyled details. Instead, it has focused on timeless Scandinavian design that looks modern today and will continue to look premium years from now. This is an SUV that fits just as naturally outside a luxury hotel as it does in everyday city traffic. Step inside, and the XC60 immediately creates a sense of calm. The interior is minimal, elegant, and thoughtfully designed. Everything feels placed with purpose. Soft touch materials, refined textures, and carefully crafted details surround you, creating an atmosphere that feels premium without being overwhelming. Volvo's design philosophy is clear. Here, luxury should feel relaxing, not distracting. The centerpiece of the cabin is the large vertical touchscreen powered by Google built-in. Navigation, music, calls, and vehicle settings are all easily accessible, with smooth performance and natural voice commands. It feels intuitive, fast, and genuinely helpful. The digital driver display behind the steering wheel provides essential information in a clear and uncluttered way, allowing you to stay focused on the road ahead. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo XC60 continues Volvo's push toward electrification. With mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, the XC60 delivers smooth, responsive power while keeping efficiency at the forefront. Acceleration feels effortless, and the transition between electric and petrol power is nearly seamless. This SUV is built for modern drivers who want performance without compromising fuel economy or environmental responsibility. On the road, the XC60 feels composed and confident. The steering is precise. The suspension absorbs bumps comfortably, and the overall driving experience feels relaxed yet controlled. This isn't an SUV designed to race. It's designed to make every drive feel smooth, secure, and enjoyable. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the XC60 remains calm and predictable. Safety has always been Volvo's strongest identity, and the 2026 XC60 proudly carries that legacy forward. Advanced driver assistance systems work quietly in the background, helping prevent collisions, maintain lane position, and adapt to traffic conditions. These systems are designed to support the driver rather than overwhelm them, creating a sense of confidence without intrusion. What truly sets the 2026 Volvo XC60 apart is how naturally everything comes together. Luxury, technology, efficiency, and safety blend seamlessly into one well-balanced package. Nothing feels forced. Nothing feels excessive. It's an SUV that grows on you with time, proving its value through everyday use rather than flashy gimmicks. For drivers who want a premium SUV that feels intelligent, comfortable, and responsibly engineered, the 2026 Volvo XC60 stands as a strong and confident choice. It's not about making a statement, it's about making the right decision. If you enjoyed this voiceover, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more futuristic and luxury car content. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the 2026 Volvo XC60 over its competitors? We'll see you in the next video.